Dear students, welcome to Gurukul Analytics. This is Nageshwar Reddy. So, MTech in Computer Science and Gold Medalist. I have total 16 plus years of IT experience and I have traveled to 5 countries. So, today's topic is we are going to cover top 5 options or careers after BTech. Okay, so these are the top 5. So, we are going to cover the first one. First option is MS. Okay, so these 5 we are going to cover. Before we cover that, if you are watching this channel first time, please subscribe to Gurukul Analytics and also press bell icon for not to miss new videos. Okay, so here in the top 5, the first one is MS, that is in abroad to do MS, that is like MTech. Okay, for that what exam we have to write? We have to clear GRE and TOEFL exam. And what are the benefits we are going to get? Because after MS pay will be very more, then you can become entrepreneur by starting your own company after getting some experience. So what is the drawback? Here it is bit costly. Why? Because the fees is in US dollar, it is 25,000 to 50,000 we have to bear. So in Indian rupees it will come 18 to 36 lakh, that is for whole 2 years. Okay, but the advantage is salaries are very good, that is per annum it will be 50k to 100k you will be getting, which means whatever 50k you will be spending for 2 years, you will get in 1 year, you are able to recover it. Okay, so in Indian rupees, suppose in India if you come back after your MS, then your salary will be 5 to 15 lakhs range per annum. Okay, so this is about MS. Then that is the first one, I can say that. Then second one is MBA. So for doing MBA, exam to be written is like GMAT. Okay, GMAT and CAT exam is there for joining, but from IIMs it is more valuable to do. Instead of just normal colleges, always ensure you will get into reputed colleges. Okay, so what is the benefit of doing MBA? So you can directly come as a manager. Okay, so you can directly join as a manager type of roles actually after doing MBA, and also more chances are there to become entrepreneur after a couple of years of experience. That is the advantage of MBA. So only what is the drawback? It is bit costly, that is in IIM the fees will be 16 to 25 lakhs, it will be for whole course duration, nearly 16 to 25 lakhs. Okay, but from foreign if you do, it will be like 160k to 200k if you want to do MBA, like from US we have to do MBA. Okay, and what will be salaries for these people? It will be again 5 to 20 lakhs in Indian rupees. Okay, so that is about MBA. Then the third option will be MTech. For MTech you have to write GATE exam, so you can join repeated, you can crack and to join repeated institutes like IITs, NITs. Okay, what is the benefit you will get? After that you can go for PhD, then you are very preferable for lecturer job, and also for government you will get more pay. Okay, in IT also you will get more pay because for your MTech. Okay, then what will be fees here means it will be like for MTech it will be 25,000 to 45,000 in rupees per semester. Okay, so what will be salary after your MTech? It will be like 3 to 5 lakhs per annum. Okay, and but one benefit is stipend you will get, that is 12,400 per month stipend you will get. So mostly you can manage nearly this much fees actually, that is the benefit as well. So that is good actually. That is third option. Then fourth option is about government jobs you can try. Okay, that is like in banks you can try. Okay, in banks the benefit is like you'll get more satisfaction, and salary could be in the range of 20 to 30,000 per month. Okay, that is about banks. Then another government jobs is like we can try for groups or civils you can try, that is IAS, IPS you can try. The benefit is more satisfaction you will get, and salary will be in the range of 30k to 60k, because these are groups and civils, right? Your package will be very good. Okay, that is about fourth option. Then fifth option is technical jobs like core job. For example, if you are from electronics EC background, then you can get core job actually. Benefit is you will be more satisfied because whatever branch you have studied, if you get job, that is the best thing, right? And also benefit is you will get more pay. See here you can see 4 to 9 lakhs they will pay. Okay, that is for again if you are from reputed college like tier 1, tier 2, like from IITs, NITs, like reputed colleges, then this package you can demand. Otherwise some little bit lesser package you will get, but still starting will be 4 lakhs. Okay, that is the thing. And another option is IT job. Here IT job benefit is good pay you will get. So usually salary will be like 3 to 8 lakhs actually. So okay, so 3 to 8 lakhs will be, 3 to 8 lakhs will be the package. Yeah, so these are the 5 options. Okay, so here So again, that depends. Let me summarize here. Okay, first let us talk about MS. Okay, so usually what happens, so I want to take one example. Like, see, in IT means there will be like Google, Amazon, those are the topmost jobs. Okay, so I know one of my relatives, she got job into Google itself, but okay, there is a vendor in between. Actually, due to that, she was getting only 20,000 to hand. Okay, then what she did after 1 year, what she did, she left her IT job and through GRE TOEFL she cracked the exam. Okay, now she got well settled actually. So that is the best option always. So if you have time and a little bit finance you can able to afford, you can always, the best thing is you can do MS by writing GRE TOEFL. Okay, also one more advantage, you no need to worry about this much money, because evening time you can teach actually, like internship can work after BTech, right? You will get outside also like little bit part-time jobs, even you can get internships, so no need to worry. So if you could manage, this is the best thing you can do. Why? Because salary will be very good. In 1 year you can able to manage your course fees and all, and also benefit is you can become very well entrepreneur. If you are very interested about to start your own company like that, more chances are there, because in US and all, that is the best thing if possible. Okay, that's why I kept this as the first option. Then come back to second option, MBA. So MBA also you have to do from repeated, like from IIM and all we have to do. Okay, so don't worry about your friends coming from IT job. Don't worry. After a few years, directly you will come as a manager role. So I saw that when I was in IBM, I saw that like very youngsters, they will come and sit as a manager, senior manager, very big roles they will occupy, because they are management guys. So always another best job in India is this one, writing through GMAT and all. So directly you can join as a manager. More chances are there to become entrepreneur because he is from MBA. That is always best to do. Only problem little bit is here, it is costly, right? Because 16 to 25 lakh you should be able to manage. That is the only problem. But package will be very good after that. If you could manage that, this is another best thing you can do. Second best thing I can say. Okay. Then the third one is MTech. Why you kept here is, so again, if you do from IIT and IITs, always the very good package they will give. Like for example, if you take FICO or some big companies like Google, Amazon, when they go for campus, right, they will pay very high package. Like they will pay 6 lakhs to 9 lakhs and all they will pay. So always because this one. Also another benefit is even PhD you can do, right? So I did my MTech from JNU. There, if you write GATE exam, directly you will be eligible for PhD as well. Okay. So like PhD you can do directly, lecturer post you will get. Okay. So that is the best thing. Okay, so one of my friend, he did his PhD as well, then he's getting more than 1 lakh per month. That will be peaceful life as well, we can say, as a lecturer. So that benefit is there after MTech if you do PhD as well. Okay, also what is benefit MTech? Government salary will be very more. Okay, also in IT if you come also very more. I will give my example only. When I was in Wipro, they have offered me 25% hike. The reason was because I am MTech candidate compared with BTech candidate, so offered me straight 25%. Because usually in IT 3 to 5% up to 10% hike will be there every year, but here I got 25% because of the MTech. So that is benefit you will get if you do MTech. Okay, so that is the thing. Next, fourth one, as government jobs I mentioned, I see that people are working in banks. I have some of the friends, but here thing is that, so salary will be bit less, but you will be very peaceful job. Okay, but you should be happy with that. Otherwise, see, after 10 years and all, salary will be like 1 lakh per month or like that. But if you compare with IT guys may be getting some 2 lakhs per month after 10 years and all. So at that time, if you think to leave the job, then that will be, I think, bit late, right? So always good to think whether you want banks or government job like that, or always more salary you want and you take little bit, I mean, you are okay with that, you have to decide as early, that is better. Okay, so that is about banks. And also government jobs, right? I saw that many of my friends who has done their engineering, they have joined DRDO, like ISRO, big government jobs, but still they left their jobs and they got outside IT job and they traveled to US and all. So that again depends. See, if you are very passionate about the country and working, always this is good to be. Okay, but you have to decide that. Okay, package will be little less, but you will be have quarters, everything. You have to decide up to you which one is good for you. You have to decide. You are the final person to decide. Okay, then regarding technical jobs, as I mentioned, core job is always very good. There will be limited jobs, but always you can target as a first job if you are from EC or whatever your background. In your core, that is the first thing to do. Then after that you can try as a IT job. So this is all my idea on this. Okay, so you can put as a comment whichever option you like, which you are planning to do. Okay, and also like any like, so you can give me feedback like which option you like and which one you feel in your case it is better. Okay, so that we'll come up with another video with more details. So any of the like in detail if you want, so we'll come up with the new videos. Okay, thanks for watching the channel. Take care. We'll see you in next video. Bye.